For this horseshoe cable, I'm gonna make a cross over the first 8 stitches right here. Then I will knit 2 stitches plain, and again the last 8 stitches will be made another cross, total of 18. For any crossing stitches, you can use a spare needle just to make it a little bit easy, but it's easier for me to work without any spare needle or cable needle. What I do, I start by slipping all the 8 stitches to my right needle first. Now we're gonna make a cross over 4 stitches. We're gonna cross the 4 stitches from right side to the left side, and for that I pick up the first 4 stitches from the front side. Just pay attention, we always pick up the first 4 stitches. Once at the beginning, we pick up from the front side. I insert my needle and then slowly I pull out the right needle just to drop the stitches, the last 4 stitches from the right needle. And gently I go back and pick them up in the right order. Now they are crossed. So I will return them back to the left needle and simply knit them one by one. Okay, you continue working 2 stitches in center, just plain 2 knit stitches. And next again, we have the last 8 stitches. We're gonna work similar. Just slip all the stitches, 8 stitches to right needle, and make sure the yarn is at the back. And now this time again, we're gonna pick up the 4 stitches, the first 4 stitches, this time from the back side. Before we did from front side, this time from the back side, just insert your needle into the first 4 stitches. It's not very easy while you are recording it, but it's not that much difficult. Just insert your needle into the 4 stitches, and then while the needle is there, pull out the right needle slowly and drop the last 4 stitches, and then go back and pick them up again. Now they are crossed to the right side. Again, return them back to the left needle. And the same, you're gonna knit them one by one. As you can see, it's not a difficult process, and honestly, you don't need any cable needle. Sometimes having extra needle makes it harder. So you work this row, and then this is your row 1. You're gonna work 15 rows plain, and again in next row you're gonna make the same pattern. So you repeat every 16 rows. Okay, here I made a pattern, and on the wrong side you just purl them. And this is how it look when you repeat it. This is part of my below sideway knit top. If you want to see this tutorial, you can find it down below. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.